All right, so we're gonna build this little grill, and there's been a little change. I was gonna do it with a cheap $75 welder. I'm not. I'm gonna do it with this machine right here. It's a beast. It's a workhorse. It's a Beaver MIG 270. It's 3-in-1. You can MIG weld with it, you can stick weld with it, and you can TIG weld with it. Believe it or not, I've not yet seen a machine that you can TIG weld with. Right now, I got it set up to run gasless flux core. You can also use it with regular hardwire. You can run it with the gas bottle. You can run it. Another cool thing about this machine is it comes wired 220. There's your 220 plug, but they'll reduce you down to 110. They send you the 110 so you can use it more around the house. 110, just plug it into your wall. Like I said, I've got this one set up, gasless flux core. Open the door. There's your wire spool. Hold a 2-pound spool all the way up to 11-pound spool. Getting away here for a second. There's sends you a TIG torch. Everything you need to run that TIG welder. Sends you a stinger. You can run it as a stick welder. They send you a gas line, be able to hook up a gas bottle. You'll need a regulator to go with it. They send you hose clamps, the insert for your gas line. It's all right there. And there's everything you need for your TIG torch. We're gonna start putting this door together, and I'm gonna be running the 110 flux core, gasless flux core with it. We're gonna plug it in. And I'm gonna get this door set up. I got the stuff cut to seal the door. So when we put the door on, the door is not gonna fall all the way through. We're gonna put this in here. I'm gonna even it out to where I want it. I don't want it sticking up real high, but I don't want it down too low either. And we're gonna start right there. Even it out, make it even across the top. And that also helps, like if you didn't get your door cut perfectly, a good straight line on it. That'll help shut that door down. We are going to turn our welder on. It's a pretty cool machine. I know I said I was going to do it with the $75 machine. That I did not like that machine. I wasn't going to put it on a YouTube video. But this is the one from Beaver, 3-in-1. We're going to tack that piece of the door in. As soon as I find my little face shield. We're going to put that back on weld mode instead of grind mode. That's going to be for the bottom of our door. We're going to do the same thing at the top. Not sure if that's one I cut or not for it. That's also going to seal the top of the door to keep some of that smoke from coming out. Because you're going to want a little bit of that smoke flavor in there. We're just going to pinch it right there. That's going to be the top and bottom of our door. Right there. So now we're going to cut 2 strips to put down this side. Then we'll be ready to put the hinges on and put the door on. But the first step I wanted to show was the Beaver welder. Good product. Excellent product right there. Beaver 3-in-1. Might want to check those out.